In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Gmail in Instagram. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are signed into the account you want to update. Once you are on the home screen, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom corner. This will take you to your profile page where you can access your account settings. Next, look in the top corner for the 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu. Tap that and then choose Settings and Privacy. On some versions of Instagram, you may see Account Center instead, and that is fine. The layout can vary slightly depending on your device and app version, but you are looking for the area where Instagram manages your personal information. From there, find and tap Personal Details. Inside Personal Details, tap Contact Info. This is the section where Instagram stores the email address and phone number connected to your account, which can be used for account recovery, security alerts, and confirming changes. Now you will add your Gmail address. Tap Add New Contact, and then choose Add Email. A field will appear where you can type your email address. Carefully enter your Gmail address and double-check for typos. Even a small mistake can prevent the confirmation message from reaching you. After you enter the address, Instagram may ask you to select the account to link, depending on your setup. Follow the on-screen prompt and confirm the correct account. Then Instagram will send a confirmation code to the Gmail inbox you just entered. Switch to your email app, open the message from Instagram, and locate the code. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Go back to Instagram, enter the confirmation code exactly as shown, and then tap Next to finish. Once the code is accepted, your Gmail address will be added to your Instagram account. And that is all there is to it.